Okay, so this is a quick video on scooter. This is a Bv250 Tour. I think it's a 2009 Piaggio or something like that. So basically, what I had is a customer scooter that I'm working on. So he said he was complaining on that he had some grinding noise during the rear wheel, well, something like that. But it was grinding when you spin the wheel. And what I noticed is I thought it was probably like a bearing or something, or maybe something loose inside the wheel from the rear. So I took it all apart, removed the air box, the cover, and then the bolts from here. And then what I noticed when I removed this sprocket bolt, I mean from the shaft to hold the wheel, as you can see, I removed this. And it was grinding from the inside, but you see this kind of bolt right here, this was loose. So in order to remove take away that noise, you have to tighten this bolt right here to your right side. So you tighten it this side like that, going that way as much as you can, so it doesn't hit like this thing, the hub of this doesn't hit from the inside, and you will not have that noise no more. So this is a quick fix. If you guys want to try it, there's not too many information on this type of scooter, so just try to make a quick video and probably helping you out on saving some money, and you do it yourself. You don't need too many tools, just an impact or a ratchet, 8mm socket to remove the bolts, and a star bit screwdriver. So yeah, just tighten this bolt that way and then put everything back together, and then you'll have no more issues, no more sounds. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.